Hello everyone, welcome back to Board Express PCM. In this video, we will know about first current density, second Ohm's law, third resistance, fourth difference between resistance and resistivity, fifth limitation of Ohm's law. So let's start from our first topic, current density. Current density. The current density at a point in a conductor is the ratio of the current at that point to the area of cross section of the conductor at that point. करंट डेंसिटी कंडक्टर में उस पॉइंट पर करंट और उसी पॉइंट के क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया का रेशियो होता है. इट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. Direction as motion of positive charge. The SI unit is ampere per meter square. Then the current density at that point is J equal I upon A. Our next topic is Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across its ends, provided the टेम्परेचर एंड अदर फिजिकल कंडीशन रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. किसी भी कंडक्टर में फ्लो होने वाला करेंट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है विच इज अप्लाइड अक्रॉस एट इट्स एंड एंड प्रोवाइड की गई टेम्परेचर और अदर फिजिकल कंडीशन कांस्टेंट रहेगी. V इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू V equal IR, where R is resistance of conductor, V is potential difference, I is current. You can also see its graph. Resistance. The resistance of a conductor is the property by virtue of which it opposes the flow of current or charges through it. R equal V upon I. रेजिस्टेंस कंडक्टर की ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है जो फ्लो ऑफ करेंट या चार्ज को अपोज करती है. आर इक्वल वी अपॉन आई. आर वी इक्वल आई इंटू आर. SI unit is ohm. Resistance represents into two types. First, fixed resistance. Second, variable resistance. Difference between resistance and resistivity. Resistance is the opposition a specific object or material offers to the flow of electric current, while resistivity is an intrinsic property of a material that describes its ability to resist current flow regardless of the object size or shape. Resistance is measured in ohm, while resistivity is measured in ohms meter. सिंपली रेजिस्टेंस फ्लो ऑफ चार्जेस को रोकता है एंड रेजिस्टिविटी फ्लो ऑफ चार्जेस या करेंट को रेजिस्ट करने की एबिलिटी होती है. यू कैन आल्सो सी की डिफरेंस एंड फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग. Vector form of Ohm's law. E equal rho J. R J equal sigma E. Derivation of vector form of Ohm's law. First, potential difference across the end of conductor V equal E into L. Second, also from scalar form of Ohm's law, V equal IR equal I rho L upon A. Third, equating equation first and second. EL equal I rho L upon A. E equal I upon A rho. E equal J rho, where J equal I upon A. Fourth, direction of J current density is same as electric field E. So E equal J rho in vector. E equal rho J. E 1 upon rho equal J. J equal sigma E. E sigma equal J. Hence proved. Our next topic is limitation of Ohm's law. First, ohmic conductor. The conductor which obey Ohm's law are called ohmic conductor. Example, metallic conductor with small current. You can also see the VI graph for ohmic conductor. Note, Ohm's law obeyed by many substances under certain condition, but it is not a fundamental law of nature. Non-ohmic conductor. The conductor which do not obey Ohm's law are called non-ohmic conductor. Example, metallic conductor with high current, PN junction diode, etc. You can also see the VI graph of non-ohmic conductor and PN junction diode. The figure you can see on the screen, it is a VI graph of the semiconductor gallium arsenide. It exhibits non-linear behavior, negative resistance region. Moreover, after a certain voltage, the current decrease as the voltage increase. Superconductivity, the phenomenon of complete loss of resistance by certain metals and alloy when they are cooled below certain temperature is called superconductivity. ऐसा phenomenon जिसमें रेजिस्टेंस का कंप्लीट लॉस होता है किसी सर्टेन मेटल या एलॉय के द्वारा जब वे सर्टेन टेम्परेचर के बिलो कूल होते हैं तो उसे हम सुपर कंडक्टिविटी कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, मरकरी एट 4.3 केल्विन टेम्परेचर. यू कैन आल्सो सी इट्स ग्राफ. The temperature at which a substance undergoes a transition from normal conductor to superconductor in a zero magnetic field is called transition or critical temperature.